Grade 7 Science Transportation in Animals and Plants Module 1. Objectives: to define circulatory system, to list out components of circulatory system, to explain the functions of blood and blood vessels. Circulatory system: the organ system of the body that is responsible for the transport of material throughout the body is called the circulatory system. Components of circulatory system: the primary parts of the circulatory system are blood, blood vessels and heart. Blood is a fluid that transports nutrients and oxygen to the cells and carries away carbon dioxide and other waste products in our body. The fluid part of blood is called plasma and has various salts and nutrients dissolved in it. Blood cells are suspended in plasma and they are red blood cells, RBCs, white blood cells, WBCs and platelets. Functions of blood: it transports substances like digested food from the small intestine to the other parts of the body. It carries water to all the parts of the body. It carries oxygen required for respiration from lungs to the cells of the body. It carries carbon dioxide, waste product of respiration from cells of the body to the lungs. It helps to transport waste products from the body to the excretory organ. Plasma: it's a liquid component of the blood in which most of the blood cells are suspended. RBC: red blood cells present in the blood are responsible for the transport of oxygen throughout the body. They contain a red pigment called hemoglobin, which binds with the oxygen. The reddish color of the blood is due to hemoglobin. WBC: the blood contains white blood cells, which are part of the immune system. They are like soldiers which fight and kill germs that may enter the food. Blood platelets: platelets are the smallest cells in the blood. By clumping together, they form a blood clot, preventing loss of blood due to bleeding. They prevent excessive damage to the blood vessels by binding together at the site of damage. This is an image showing different types of blood cells. Blood vessels: these are tubes or pipes that carry blood throughout the body. It runs between the heart and rest of the body. There are three major types of blood vessels in the body: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood to the cells and tissues of our body. They carry blood from the heart to the tissues. Veins are blood vessels that carry away oxygenated blood from the cells and tissues of our body. They carry blood from tissues to the heart. Capillaries are the smallest of the body's blood vessels. It serves the most important task of the circulatory system: exchange of material between circulation and cells. This image shows different types of blood vessels. Let us understand the differences between arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries transport blood from the heart to the organs. Veins bring blood to the heart from all parts of the body. Capillaries, they are very small blood vessels, connect arteries with the veins. Then arteries carry oxygenated blood, but veins carry deoxygenated blood. Capillaries mainly responsible for exchange of material between blood and the cells occurs in capillaries. Then arteries, they have thick muscular walls. Veins, they have thinner walls, and capillaries very thin and narrow.